The Amazon rainforest spans over 2 million square miles, a vast wilderness where dense canopies conceal secrets. Recent technological breakthroughs have rewritten its history. Archaeologists discovered massive, interconnected pre-Columbian cities. These ancient urban networks feature advanced roads and plazas. In Peru, the Sinai-Timpixca River reaches near boiling temperatures. Scientists discovered the Rio Hamza, a massive subterranean river. The jungle's biodiversity is equally mysterious. It is home to unique organisms like the zombie ant fungus. With vast areas still unexplored, the Amazon remains a puzzle.